Hi scientists, welcome back to your Physical Changes notes and textbook pages. We are going to revisit our notes today. So one thing that you are going to have to do is find your notes sheet. So if you go up here to your Physical Changes students slideshow, when you go into slide 6, let me move this over a little bit. There you go, slide 6, your Cornell notes. You linked your Physical Changes notes right here. So like everything, we do things on purpose so that you can find them, access them, use them. So right now you need to click on this link so that you can find your notes for today. Then you pull it up and it looks like this. We went through and we wrote some things in, we highlighted our text. Today we're going to revisit our notes, the notes that we took. And we're going to do the same thing that we did with our text pages. We're going to do some highlighting. So we already did the text pages, so let's go down here to our notes. We wrote down a physical change changes the form or the look, but not the matter itself. So the key things that we want to highlight here are maybe it changes the form. And I'm going to choose a different color. I think I'm going to choose blue this time. But not the matter itself. Okay? It changes the form, but not the matter. Okay? And then I am going to even do something different with this, just so I can highlight it or make it look a little bit different. Maybe pink. It looks different, but it's the same substance. This is just an example of butter, so we don't need to highlight or do anything. The reason why we highlight is so that when we look at our notes, our eyes are drawn to what we highlighted. So we don't have to read everything all over again. We're just focusing in on those parts that are the most important. Okay? So that's the purpose for this. Let's scroll down to our next notes. We already highlighted and underlined our text. We put some examples in here. We did some shape changes and we highlighted some things. Okay, we did some examples. Oh, I did not put cutting paper. I want to do that. We did highlight some things here, but it's not showing up on mine. And I see some notes here. So let's highlight some things in our notes here. It says dissolving is a physical change. So since dissolving is our topic, I do want to highlight that. Okay? And then I want to highlight some things that tell me what is dissolving. Okay? So I'm going to highlight water, because dissolving usually involves water. And I'm going to highlight sugar combined together. All right, students, I'm sorry for the extra noise. Hopefully you won't be able to hear too much of that. But there is still water and sugar there. Okay? All right, let's do our summary and then we'll be finished for the day. There are 3 types of physical changes. Okay? You know what they are. We just talked about them. They are shape changes, state changes, and dissolving. Okay? A state change changes the state of the matter. It changes between solids, liquids, and gases. All right? A shape change changes the way the matter looks or its form. An example is, and you put in anything you want here. You can put folding, you can put cutting, you can put breaking, you can put crumbling, okay? You put in what you want that is going to help you remember. Finally, dissolving combines water and a powder like sugar, salt, baking soda into a new solution but the water and powder are still there. They did not disappear or change into something different. Okay, students? All right, pause the video. Make sure you get all of this written down in your summary and your highlighting. All right? Next up is your Flipgrid. Flipgrid is going to be super fun where you get to take something and change the physical appearance of it. That's my straw. Super cool, right? All right, see you later, students.